Everybody, welcome to today's video where I show you how to make this potent ayurvedic hair growth butter, guys, using very few ingredients and few steps to follow to make your own butter ready to use for massive hair growth, guys. Once you start using this butter to seal in your moisture, you're going to stimulate insane hair growth that's going to grow out of your scalp, and of course you're going to have very strong hair strands that are not going to be falling out. So if growing your hair lengthier, healthier, thicker and voluminous is your goal, then please keep on watching, guys. You're going to grow hair like crazy once you have this butter with you. It melts effortlessly and it's going to seal in your moisture and help you retain serious length, guys. I use it on my hair and you're going to use on yours. So before we keep going, I am Maryamkapama, natural hair superstar. I do DIY videos using natural ingredients to help you grow out your hair healthier, thicker and voluminous. So go ahead and subscribe. Of course, click the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. And if you are a returning supporter, go ahead and like this video and comment down below, and I'll so much appreciate you guys. Okay, if I'm not here on YouTube, then I'm in Instagram. Go ahead and follow me. I'm using NandyKP. The handle will be down in the description box, guys. So first thing first, we're going to gather all the oils. We're going to start with olive oil, pure vitamin E oil, some essential oils, and of course our one and only, the most powerful Neem times Fenugreek hair growth oil, guys. I made this video here on my channel. Link will be down in the description box and up in the cards. Now moving on to the butters, we're going to need cocoa butter, shea butter, and of course mango butter, guys. Combo of all this butter all together, they are going to help you grow your hair tremendously. Of course, we're going to need a mixing bowl and a measuring cup so we have everything right, guys. So to begin with, you're going to take a portion of this cocoa butter into our bowl, and you're going to chop the amount that you're going to be using. Cocoa butter is amazing when it comes to nourishing your hair and leaving your hair super soft, and of course it's going to help you restrive dull hair to good looking and shiny hair, guys. Moving on next to mango butter. Mango butter is amazing, guys. It's going to help your hair get so soft because it has a low melting point, so it's going to melt right away into your scalp. You can even go ahead and use this on your scalp because it's going to melt right away, and it's going to send all those potent nutrients that you're going to add into this butter later on here on this video to go all the way to your scalp and help your hair grow, guys. Next, you're going to be using shea butter. Shea butter is amazing, guys. It's going to condition your scalp, it's going to heal your scalp, it's going to help your scalp be a better place for your hair to grow, guys. So shea butter is amazing. Using a measuring cup, we're starting to measure out the oils. To begin, you're going to be using the olive oil. You can use any oil. You can go ahead and use any oil that works best for you. You can use avocado oil. You can use all these type of oils that you have. Just make sure it's a good career oil, guys. Okay, so I went in with a quarter cup of olive oil, and now I'm going in with what I have, the amount that I have of Neem and Fenugreek, guys. Neem is amazing. It has been used as medicinal plant for thousands of years, centuries and centuries. So it's amazing when it comes to healing your scalp. It has these antimicrobial, antifungal properties that are going to heal your scalp. And the fenugreek in the oil, guys, it's full of proteins that are going to strengthen your hair strands. So imagine you stimulate your hair, your hair is growing out healthy, and then you strengthen it, it's going to stay there, no falling out, no hair loss, no nothing whatsoever. That's exactly what you need: healthy scalp and strengthened hair strand, guys. So go ahead and melt everything, then go ahead and freeze it. After everything has melted down, be sure to use a double boiler method so you don't ruin the potency of your butters, guys. Okay, once everything is frozen, no oils in the middle, no nothing, soft, hard enough and not so hard that you can't whip. Now go ahead and start whipping it, guys. This butter is amazing when you start using it. You can wash your hair, do everything you do for your hair. Then after you have added a leave-in conditioner and your oils, you can add this butter just to use that add that extra layer that's going to protect your hair from moisture escape. So it's a very nice way for you to start retaining some serious length, guys. This whipping process took me like 10 to 15 minutes, guys. So make sure you whip it. Don't let this fast forward fool you. Whip until you have that fine, whitey, creamy, thick consistency, guys. Okay, keep whipping until you achieve what you see here on the video. This butter, you can even use it on your scalp, you can use it on your hair. It's amazing. The mixture of mango butter is going to melt down into your scalp quickly and effortlessly, guys. So be sure to use it. So neem as itself, it has these properties that are going to condition your scalp. They're going to heal your scalp, guys. If you're getting value, be sure to click the like button, and of course comment down below if you have either used the neem oil that I made here on my channel, or if you're going to make this hair growth butter, because with these ingredients you're going to strengthen your hair strand and also you're going to stimulate insane of new growth, guys. Okay, because once you apply this butter, be sure to massage your scalp just to enhance blood flow on your scalp to help your hair grow out quicker, guys. If you're getting value, I repeat, go ahead and like this video and comment down below, guys. Okay, I'll be sure to respond to every comment that I see as fast as I can. Okay, so I love you guys. So now that we have everything, our mixture is already there, we are going in to add the essential oil, guys. I'm going in with vanilla essential oil, but you can go in with more potent hair essential oils such as peppermint, tea tree, whatever that you works. I'm working with what I have. And now next I'm adding in antioxidant to prevent this butter from going rancid couple days, so it lasts us for a minute, guys. Okay, it's important to add this vitamin E oil. It's going to make the healthy of your butter last longer, guys. Okay, it's important. Don't skip this part. Of course, this essential oil will provide fragrance to your butter, so your butter will smell amazing. Don't skip that part. It's highly recommended. Again, I'm going to put this butter in my storage jar ready for application, guys. This butter is a whole another level, guys. It's a whipped butter, but I'm thinking of going ahead and making emulsified hair growth butter so that we can add some water, just to make sure the butter hydrates your hair at the same time. So you can even go away with this during styling. Okay, so if you want to see me make emulsified hair butter, just let me know down in the comment by leaving me some white emojis, and I'll understand you're talking about emulsifiers. Okay, go ahead and smash the like button if you're getting values, and I so much appreciate. Once you have everything, it's time to apply, guys. Remember, I'm from washing my hair, deep conditioning my hair, and my hair already have a leave-in conditioner right there, so it's semi-dried, and I'm going to add in the butter just to make sure that I seal in all the moisture, guys. Okay, so I'm applying section by section, making sure I coat every hair strand with this butter because it's necessary. Be sure to take your time to apply the butter to your hair strand section by section, and once you have everything all together, go ahead and detangle your hair before you put in that protective style, guys. Okay, I always go with braids because I'm still learning how to twist my hair, and I've not mastered it yet, because the minute I finish twisting sometimes it's unraveled or it does not even look good, so I stick with the braids, so I'm going in with the braid to make sure that the hair stays straight, because that's what works for me. When I'm done with my wash day, I put my hair in a stretched protective style, so it works that way. I don't know what works for you. Let me know down in the comment, and I'll so much appreciate to hear from your side. However, we are repeating the same procedure of sectioning a small section, applying in the butter, and of course making sure the hair has been detangled before we go in with our protective style, guys. Okay, this butter melts right away. You barely even notice that it's even there, so it is going to melt very fast and very quickly. So you like what you see, of course smash the like button, let YouTube know that you're getting values from me, and of course let them know that you're enjoying this content by commenting down below, and I'm going to respond to your comment as quickly as I see it, guys. Okay, yeah, so repeating the whole same process on the whole head, then yeah, enjoy, guys. So I'm going to leave everything I used down in the description box, and of course I'm going to leave the link of the video where I made this important ayurvedic hair growth oil down in the description box and up in the card, so you get to see that video after you finished watching this one. And of course be sure to stay subscribed, because I'm going to show you what I use to deep condition my hair in the next video upcoming. Okay, so stay subscribed, and of course I'm going to leave a whole playlist here up on the screen, so you get to enjoy all these potent DIYs that I do on my channel that are going to enhance hair growth, guys. Now everything is done. I'll see you guys in the video on the screen. Until next time, bye bye.